Sheriff Mike Byrd in an Alabama courtroom today to plead guilty to a federal offense.
Fox 10 News reporter Renee Dials was at that hearing. She joins us live outside the federal courthouse in Mobile to tell us what happened there. Renee?
Well, we first reported on Mike Byrd's plea agreement last month, and today he made it official. Byrd told U.S. District Judge William Steele he was guilty of misconduct involving the arrest of a suspect in 2012. Now, the federal charge stems from an arrest in June of last year. Byrd admits he kicked a suspect in the groin while the suspect was handcuffed and not resisting. The Jackson County Sheriff then ordered his deputy to erase the dash cam video. Then in August, Byrd ordered another employee to wipe his office computer clean to get rid of some emails. The federal charges carry a possible maximum sentence of 20 years in prison. But in exchange for Byrd's guilty plea, prosecutors are recommending he receive 6 months house arrest and 6 months probation. Now, the judge does not have to accept the recommendation. Judge Steele will hand down his sentence on March 11th.
Let me be real careful in what I say. I hope he follows the recommendations as opposed to saying I expect him to. I hope he follows the recommendation. And it was a well thought out recommendation because it had to clear the U.S. Attorney's Office in Alabama as well as Justice and the Department of Justice in Washington, D.C.
The United States Attorney's Office is very pleased. These are important cases. Abuse of power needs to be taken seriously, and it will be taken seriously in the Southern District of Alabama. And for people to have faith in their government, they need to know that everyone's treated the same, and that's important.
Sheriff Byrd has not resigned, and his lawyer did not indicate when or if he will. The Board of Supervisors will have to appoint an interim sheriff, but the board cannot act until Byrd either resigns or is removed from office. In the meantime, the sheriff's legal trouble is far from over. He still faces a 31-count indictment on state charges that include embezzlement, fraud, and extortion. Reporting live from the federal courthouse in downtown Mobile, I'm Renee Dials for Fox 10 News.
Thanks, Renee. Well, a Sims family